Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and today I gotta let you know you're looking real nice. It's just great to see your face as you're watching me from the other side of the screen, and I know I can't really see you, but I do. I hope that wasn't creepy. Also, spray tan is coming off, and this stage is also known as regret, and you wonder why you even put fake tan on in the first place. Love that. Want to know what else we're talking about today? Besides my fading fake tan and how freaking amazing you look, I'm going to be getting you up to speed with the newest TikTok updates that should be rolling out in the next couple months. And I'm not going to lie, I'm kind of excited for what TikTok has got in store for us. So if that is something you are even remotely interested in watching, then you know the drill. Just keep watching. I think I have 6 total updates that I want to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the first one. Creators now have the ability to insert their own video links into the captions of their videos. To check this out, you're gonna hop onto your personal profile on TikTok. Now, you can only use this before publishing your content. So for videos that have already been published on TikTok, you will not be able to link a video. But if you go into your drafts on the publishing page where you can add your captions and hashtags, in that box, you'll see where it says hashtags, friends, and videos. If you click on that little videos button, it will then pull up all of your published videos on TikTok. And then you can select the ones you want, and that will link them in the caption of the video you're about to publish. Now, I don't know if I just barely mentioned it, but it is important to note, if you want to link a video in the caption of another video, you want to make sure that the video you're linking is published and set to public. So you won't be able to link a video that is in your drafts or set to private. So just make sure you check that. The Q&A feature. The Q&A feature needs to get its shit together because it's confusing the hell out of people. I made like a 10-minute video on the TikTok Q&A feature and spent a lot longer than I'd like to admit researching and trying to figure out what happened because a lot of people were freaking out because the Q&A feature just seemingly disappeared and it appears to be back. In fact, on TikTok's February 2022 newsletter that just came out, there's an entire paragraph dedicated to the Q&A feature that says, remember the most viral video question sticker at the end of 2021? Questions are public and can be answered by anyone. The easiest way to access Q&A is from the profile page. You can invite other creators to answer questions or save question stickers to answer later. All questions and answers specific to a creator can be found in the Q&A hub on your profile. So apparently, it's not completely vanished, and I have seen a lot more creators with the Q&A like little tab or button on their profile showing up. I still don't have the ability to add that onto my profile. I don't know if you need specific requirements to do that, but I believe that the Q&A hub that they mentioned there in that paragraph can be found by going to your personal profile. If you click on the 3 little bars in the top right hand corner, that will take you to, the general settings for your TikTok account. And if you go to creator tools, just below where it says promote, I believe you'll see where it says Q&A, and that's where you can go in and access a bunch of different questions on there. Or what you can do as well is if you go into the record screen of your TikTok by clicking the little plus sign in the bottom center of your screen, you'll see a reply button on the right hand side, and that will also bring up people's comments and questions that you can reply to with a video. Creators can now link a playlist of places on any TikTok video. You can now easily share a consolidated list of your recommended travel destinations, restaurants, stores, and a lot more. Your viewers can engage with your content and conveniently save the places that you mentioned in the video without interrupting their flow. It's all about the flow. To use this feature, you're going to go into the publishing page of any of your drafts or content that you haven't yet uploaded to TikTok. And just below your box where you add captions, hashtags, you can link your own videos, all of that good stuff, you'll see where it says add link. And if you click on that, you're going to scroll down a little bit to where it says link and you're going to click on that, and that is where you can create a playlist of a bunch of different places. You can customize your title and add in all of your recommendations for your people so they can easily find it and access it if they're in the area. TikTok stories may very well become a reality on TikTok. To The Verge, TikTok confirmed it's indeed testing this function, but at this time, it's unclear how many people have gotten access to this feature and in which places of the world. In a nutshell, for those using the beta version, when they would log on to TikTok, stories would be displayed in a sidebar on the FYP, but TikTok has been testing this for some time and is working to have TikTok stories show up on the For You feed instead of having its own tab. When scrolling through your feed, photos and videos from stories are going to be identified by a blue story tag. It's been reported that TikTok is calling stories as quick in the recording screen of TikTok, which suggests that the company is still trying to figure out the best name for this new feature.
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Just like Snapchat and Instagram stories, photos and videos shared on TikTok stories will disappear after 24 hours. While previously users who were using the beta version of TikTok could only see stories from people that they follow, TikTok is now experimenting with letting anyone see stories shared by a public profile. So keep an eye out for that in the coming months. Apparently this feature has been out for like a month now, but I had no clue about it. And I figured there's gotta be at least one other person out there who also has no idea this is a thing. So here goes. For those of you who don't know, the repost feature is not where you upload the same video twice. People will often talk about reposting your videos again, often with that TikTok logo somewhere on the screen, but this is different. The repost feature that TikTok has released allows you to reshare someone else's video onto your feed. When you choose to repost a video on TikTok, at least for right now, TikTok is only going to show that to your friends instead of your entire audience. It will also not show up on your personal profile, so don't be concerned that it will clutter up your feed. All this feature really is simply an easy way for you to boost the visibility of a video that TikTok has recommended to you that you want more people to see. To repost someone else's video, you're gonna find the video that you want to repost and share with your friends, and you'll click on the share button, and on the top left, it's a yellow circle that says reshare, and you can click on that and reshare that video to your feed. Now, real talk here for a sec. With this new feature popping up, repost for repost groups have begun to take the stage, and I would highly recommend staying as far away from these groups as possible, because TikTok can ban you from posting for spam reposting, because it is very easy for TikTok to see the amount of views you get from the repost feature. Like, that is not a hard metric for them to pinpoint. So if you're trying to hack the process by resharing a video over and over again, or having friends and family share your videos, TikTok is going to catch on to that, and it could very easily ban your account and prevent you from posting, which we don't want. So just don't do it. The last update that I wanted to bring up, but I won't go into too much detail, is creators might be able to make up to 15-minute long videos on TikTok. Of course, this is potentially what could be coming in the future, but it looks very promising. We saw something like this when TikTok decided to make the jump from 60-second maximum videos to 3-minute long videos. And on Douyin, I hope I'm saying that right, China's version of TikTok, some users with large fan bases have been able to upload videos as long as 15 minutes. So obviously, this is all still being tested and is only rolling out to select creators, but keep an eye out for longer video formats available on TikTok in the future. We did it. There you guys go. Those are some major updates that are going to be coming to TikTok, and obviously some features that you can start using now. If you guys found any value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Like, you guys, it seriously helps support my channel so much, and it would mean the world to me. If you guys have any questions at all, please drop them down in the comments below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die